excited about my upcoming Brilliant Health Breakthroughs retreat, April 20th. And, you know, in 30 years, I have been so lucky to witness a number of patients achieve brilliant health breakthroughs. And I've really studied how is it that some patients make it from victim to warrior while others don't. And I think I've unlocked a number of the secrets to their success. So how valuable would it be for you to reverse a long-term problem like attention deficit disorder, or chronic anxiety and depression, or chronic fatigue, insomnia? I had one patient in 1 year able to reverse all of those problems and get off of 4 chronic medications she'd been on for decades. I mean, truly, how valuable would that be? So I hope that some of you will be interested or know somebody who really deserves and needs a brilliant health breakthrough, and consider coming to my retreat and allowing us to unlock those shackles that are keeping you victimized.